How we revolutionized renovations. This property, nestled in a serene estate, was left in disrepair. The new owners urgently needed an upgrade, and that's where Meta-dology stepped in. With our cutting-edge technology and creative vision, we transformed these images of what was into a reimagined, breathtaking home. Let's start at the entrance and move into the lobby. The transformation speaks for itself. What was once a tired, uninspired space is now a welcoming, elegant masterpiece. Using our advanced visualization tools, we gave the owners complete peace of mind by showcasing the possibilities before a single brick was laid. And finally, you can see the real-life results. The outdoor spaces presented one of our biggest challenges. But with a clear vision from the architecture team and Meta-dology's ability to elevate that vision, we created an immersive, interactive experience of what the space could become. And now, here it is. Watch as the final results come to life, blending creativity and functionality in every corner. Indoors, the ultimate challenge was creating a master bedroom suite worthy of the title. Out went the dated carpets, and in came stunning wooden finishes that added warmth and luxury. The result? A space that exceeded the client's expectations. You can see the vision unfold here, from renders to reality, in this real-life footage. From disrepair to a dream home, this property now stands as a testament to the power of Meta-dology's innovative approach. Our technology doesn't just show you what's possible. It brings your vision to life with precision and style. Ready to revolutionize your own space? Visit Meta-dology.com today and let's turn your property into something extraordinary.